Hello, I welcome you to this tutorial. This tutorial is to help you understand how you can add a product, how you can add a product to your store, your online store, your website. How you can add a product to your website, how you can check orders, and how to check for payment. This is what you need to do or you need to know as a shop manager. So the first thing, let's start with uploading product. If you want to upload product, you will log into the back end of your website, and this is the back end of your website. So once you log in, you check for WooCommerce. You check for WooCommerce, and below WooCommerce we have product. So you click on all products. Once you click on all product, you see all the products that have been uploaded on your website. So if you want to edit them, you can do that. If you want to add new, you can do that. So we are going to add new product. So we click on add new. We go on top and click on add new. Once we click on add new, you'll be redirected to this page, which you need to add your product name. It has been named there already. You have the placeholder there, product name. So you enter the name of your product. So let's say this product is utensil. So once you are done adding the product name, then you describe the product because you need to let your customers be able to know the particular product you are selling. So you need to describe it. So let's say the utensil. So this utensil, like you add any you can add as much as you want so that people can be able to read and understand what the product is. Apart from this, you need to also so let me show you where how this will appear if you add the product description. Let's go to this particular page. So if you add the product description, this is how it will appear. It will appear below it. So you see the description. That is where the product description will appear. The whole product description will appear here. Uh, that is how it is. So you will enter that product description. And we also need this product description as well. This is also very important. Some customers wouldn't want to go down there to read, but they want to read a snapshot of the product description. This product description, you can get it straight here. It is below it. So we see product short description. When you enter that product description there, it will be shown here. I hope you understand it. Great. So once you are done adding the product description, both the long product description and the short product description, the next thing is to let the customers know the price of the product. So you come to the product data. You scroll down after, before the product short description, which is below, very down. On top of that production description, we have the product data. So the data is where we can see the price. In the data, you click on January. January is where you can see the price. So we have the regular price and we have the sale price. The regular price is the normal price that you sell your product for, and the sale price is how much you want to give out, especially when it comes to let's say discount. If you want to give some discount, you can indicate the main product regular price, which may be 60, and then the sale price can be maybe 45 because of let's say discount. You understand? So the regular price will be cancelled and the sale price will be in effect. That will be highlighted. So that is how it is. If you want to give just one name, one price, you can clear off the product price and then the regular price will be there. main price. So there wouldn't be any cancel price on there. That is how it is. Apart from that, you come down. Apart from adding the product price, what you need to also do is to also add the inventory if you want to add inventory. So the inventory, you can add the SKU. The SKU is the stock keeping unit. You can have a number for your product. You can have a unique ID for your product to describe your product. It is very important. Mostly, some products will have a label. So, as a shop manager or as a shop owner, you would want to give a peculiar number to describe that product. So that number that you've placed on the label, you can put it inside the SKU to describe your product very well. It is also very is a good way of managing your inventories. That is also very important. Apart from that, you also want to add shipping details. So let's say the weight of the product. For example, if you want to do this kind of shipping so that you want the customers to be able to know the weight of the product and all that, you can also put those there so that it will be shown to your customers so that they will know the exact weight of the product, the dimension, that is the length, width, and the height. You can just add all this information there. That is it. Apart from that, if you want to also, for example, this particular product, they have the color the color types. So if you want to add color types to your product, you can come to attribute, and in the attribute you go to the custom product attribute. You click on it, you see color there, you click on add, and then the product color will be there. You can the product so you can be adding the colors that you have. So for this particular product, maybe I have a black color, I have a blue color, I have a brown color. You can indicate them and then you save it. You save it. Once you save it, then it will be saved to that particular product. Some product do not have colors, so you don't have to add the attributes on every product. It depends on the product that you have different color types that you want customers to be able to select the type of color they want or the size or the brand that they want. If you are dealing with maybe shoes, you would want to add the size. And so the size can be when you click here, the size can be large, medium, small, extra large, extra small, extra large. You can just select anyone that you want to select, and then customers can be able to select that size so that at least can be able to tell you their price. They can be able to tell you the size that they want, and then you can be able to deliver. Sure. So that is it about attribute. Apart from that, let's come here. Apart from that, we also have the product category. So we have a lot of categories here. A lot of categories here. So these product categories, you have been able to categorize your product. So let's say you have a large store, you have bags, you have shoes, you have tissue holders, all these kind of product categories. You've just indicated them. So this particular product, you have to apply it to the right product category. So let's say this is utensil. So you look for the right product category. You say select it. If it applies to two product categories, you can apply them. You can just select them. As simple as that. If you want to add more category, you can click here to add the category. You can add the category. If you want to apply it under a main category, you can look for the main category here, and then you enter the name of the subcategory that you want to add. And then once you are done, you click on add new category. You click on add new category, and then you'll be done with adding categories. Good. Apart from that, if your product comes with a lot of pictures, one product comes with a lot of pictures, here is where you're going to add them. So you click on it and then you select the pictures like that. You click on it and then select the pictures. You click on it and then select the pictures. You click on it and then select the pictures. So you can add as many pictures as you want. Can add as many pictures as you want. Apart from that, we have the product tags. So let's say these are tags like we use hashtags on social media. You can also apply tags to your product, but here you don't use hash. You only type the tag name. So for example, this is utensil, so you can say cooking keywords that applies to the particular product, cooking, comma, food, comma. You need to get keywords to describe your product. Once you are done, then you click on add and then it will be added like that. If you want to remove them, you click on the cancel and then it will be removed. As simple as that. As simple as that. You can also add brands to your product. So if your product comes with brand, for example, if you are dealing with electronics and then you want to add Samsung, so these are brands. So you can have Samsung, Apple, LG, all these are brands. You can add them there so that you apply that particular product to its specific brand so that you can have like you can categorize your product well. The product to be categorized very well on the website. That is also very important. Apart from that, you also have so you also have your product image, the image of the product. So you can select set product image, you select it, you add the product, you add the picture of the product, and then it will be shown there. So this will be the main image for your product. Apart from that, you can also select an additional product image. So let's say I want to add another product. When I hover on the product like that, then it will change. I don't know if we have some here. Let me go here and see. You see, when I hover on the product, it changes to this. It changes to that. So you can just apply that. You can just put another second image here. Yes. And then once you are done, you click on publish to publish your product. Once you are done, you click on publish to publish your product. So this is the publish to publish your product. Once you are done, then it means you've added the product to your website. So your product will be shown on the website. If you want to view it, you click on the view and then it will be shown like that. So see, everything I added is here intact. It's here intact. It's as simple as that. 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 Great, 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 great.